Got snapshot files in your VirtualBox folder and unsure if you can clean them up? These files preserve point-in-time states of your virtual machines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how VirtualBox Snapshots work. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical snapshot data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. A user encountering a snapshot file is typically working with Oracle's VirtualBox. This file captures the complete state of a virtual machine at a specific moment, including memory, settings, and disk status. It allows users to revert the VM to this save point, which is crucial for testing or development. The snapshot file is a container, often using a structured binary format or XML for metadata. It stores the VM's RAM contents and configuration state. This design enables VirtualBox to quickly suspend and restore a machine's execution context without having to perform a full reboot, saving time and preserving the work environment. Most installations default to associating Oracle VM VirtualBox from Oracle Corporation with Snapshot. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows cannot understand virtual system layouts, making VM software essential. Let's utilize the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your snapshot file, then click Open with. Test Oracle VM VirtualBox if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If your snapshot file still refuses to open, stay calm. The reason for the error is almost certainly the snapshot file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, managing in VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox Manager and select the virtual machine to view its snapshot tree. Right-click snapshots to restore, delete, or merge them with parent snapshots. The tree visualization clearly shows snapshot relationships and dependencies, helping plan snapshot management without breaking the differential chain. Next, restoring to snapshots. Right-click any snapshot in VirtualBox Manager and select Restore to revert the VM to that point-in-time state. Confirm the operation, noting that current VM state will be lost unless saved as a new snapshot first. Restoration is fast since only changed blocks need processing. Finally, cleaning up snapshots. Delete unnecessary snapshots through VirtualBox Manager to reclaim disk space. Right-click and select Delete, which merges the snapshot into its parent, preserving subsequent state continuity. Avoid deleting snapshots while VMs are running and ensure adequate free disk space for the merge operation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.